In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. If you manage rental income, getting payments recorded accurately is essential for clean books and clear tenant balances. I'll walk you through the exact workflow and share a few tips to keep things tidy. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and head to the New button at the top left of your dashboard. This is your main Create menu for transactions. From the list, choose Receive Payment. This form is designed for money you've collected to pay down an existing customer invoice. It's different from a sales receipt, which is used when you're recording a sale and payment at the same time. Since rent is typically invoiced, Receive Payment is the best fit here. Next, fill in the key details. In the Customer field, select the tenant who made the payment. Make sure the tenant's profile matches how you invoiced them, so everything links properly. Enter the payment date to reflect when the money actually arrived. Then type in the exact amount you received. If this payment is only part of the rent, that's fine. QuickBooks will track it as a partial payment, and the remaining balance will stay open. You can also add a memo for your own reference, like the unit number or the month the rent covers, which can be helpful during reporting or if questions come up later. Now, choose where the money went by selecting the correct bank account in the Deposit to field. Pick the bank account where the tenant's payment was deposited. Matching this to your real bank ensures your bank feed and reconciliation go smoothly and prevents duplicate entries. Below, you'll see the tenant's open invoices. If the payment is for a specific rent invoice, select that invoice so the payment applies directly and closes it or partially closes it if the payment is short. If you don't select an invoice, QuickBooks will hold the payment as a credit on the customer's account. That credit will be available to apply later when you create or send the rent invoice, and it can fully or partially pay it automatically. This is handy if you received money before issuing the invoice for the month. Once you've confirmed the tenant, date, amount, deposit account, and whether to apply it to an invoice or leave it as a credit, you're all set. That's all it takes to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. Keeping this process consistent will make your reports reliable and your tenant balances accurate, saving you time at month end and during reconciliation.